Bushan for me, Mama Kwaba. Your friend me the voice right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification. Mpamcho NDC ni bi say nkrofo bi di omusika eboa NDC to win this election. And it's nkrofo no. Omu mama hama yeni ope. Let's listen and I'll come and explain to you.
Dim 1.6 million. Obe brepa and some other power. Because Ura Mahama, dear, why ye on my way? He will not even dare.
All right. Say, MRP, a lot of people have been advancing their conversation and say, as a country, we must get to the place, and I say we must put in rules to know the funding of all political parties. We must know who is donating what, how much has been spent, what they've been spent on, who is spending, who is doing what for every political party. And me assure say, even Ghana, per the regulations surrounding creation of political parties and all, there is something like that captured that the Electoral Commission must be doing. But I'm sure, say, MRP, Electoral Commission doesn't do that. Uko America, omu organize omu election about a month before ye got to Aba. And in that election, Donald Trump came out victorious. When you follow the campaigns of Kamala Harris, any Donald Trump, you will realize, say, at every point in time, the various campaigns, they come and tell you how much funds they've raised so far, who is donating, which CEOs are donating, which people are donating, who has the highest donation, and it's almost on a weekly basis. It's Joe Biden left the race. They said the donations for Kamala Harris increase. And all those things. So those things give timely data. When Elon Musk joined Donald Trump campaign and he started giving $1 million every day, it was reported in the news because it is nothing hidden. But it seems, in Ghana, how the political parties, be it NDC, be it MPP, be it CPP, and as a movement for change, and as a new force, whichever, how they come by their campaign funds and they are able to spend, we are not able to tell. We are not able to tell. And even what they spend the monies on, we are not able to tell. And because we are not able to tell, when the person comes to power, you don't know which people are behind that person that you are seeing that and calling the shots. That reminds me of one preaching by Archbishop Duncan Williams several years ago I listened to. Or see, dealing with the enemies behind the scene. Sometimes, MRP, instead of me see, the person that you think is making the decisions, ukoma, yes, I nepano. As a brand beer, uni oba mu pia, and I say you are dating a lady. Mostly, that lady alone will have a circle of friends that will be making decisions. And when you propose to a lady, say, "Oh, I want us to go to the beach on Saturday," she will go and speak with her friends. Say, "Oh, my guy wants to take me out for to the beach this Saturday. Should I go? Even where I'm going, he has not even bought a dress for me yet. Then the friends will say, "Don't go." So your partner will come and tell you, say, "Oh, I won't go." You will think, say, it is her own decision, but it's not her decision. It is the decision of the parliament, her friends. And so, as this NDC guy, recognized NDC communicator in their party, has come out to say, it must be a cause for worry. Because there are certain reasons for which the Ghanaian people voted for John Mahama. There are promises John Mahama made, His Excellency. He made. He told us he was coming to bring the dollar back to 4 cities. He was coming to bring fuel back to 4 cedis. He was coming to bring kenke price back to 2 cedis. He was coming to make sure say our senior high school children eat the best of food, basmati rice, corned beef, 1 student, 1 egg, and all those things. Or see, he was coming to do 24-hour economy so that our district offices can work 24-hour, 1 district, 3 district chief executives, 3 shifts, 1 passport office, 3 directors, 3 shifts. So all these things are the things that Ghanaians base their confidence on and base their decision on, and massively voted for John Mahama. And if after voting for John Mahama, then we get an NDC member, our communicator, come out to say, people have spent their money, people have invested their money into NDC campaign, and because of that, they will not allow John Mahama, His Excellency, to do what he wants or now what might be the best for the nation. Then we should be worried. We should be really, really, really worried. And every investor invests money for a profit. There is no investor that invests money because they want to make a loss. And if this guy is saying this thing, what it stands to mean is say people have placed their monies into the campaign so that when NDC wins, they will get their monies back with profit. And for that reason, whether a good or bad way, they will ensure, say, John Mahama does what they want, not what is best for the nation. And we are in trouble as a people if this comes out to be true. If this turns out to be true, that because some people that we don't know have invested their monies, they are going to be calling the shot from behind the scenes. They might even be the ones to determine who becomes minister of what and minister of what. Then interesting times ahead. Let's listen to the full tape.
Dim 1.6 million. Obe brepa and some other power. Because Ura Mahama, dear, why year on my way? He will not even dare go near and do half. Because you're party no and penny for and say Mahama echo wronger, they will elect him. He will cancel of elders. Council of elders, he say honor Dr. Akmo Swajima. And then I'm with him. On Swashanado bottom, to make kind of cringe. And our Jan and Danado, and in the party, na bush cook a crana and a year party. By year and this year. But to be the Mensassin Waka was a like Doctor Alaji Mama do so. Could I am? Do I Humuna the agenda? Do not give him a chance. I'm telling you, take this from me. Do not give them a chance. So by year near man, party name Beguas because yaw. When you bring Brenna Monfosika Park or deep party with more, yet me about power. We must deliver.
You don't have any excuse.
Any excuse, Bia.
Because Ghana for repose with that confidence.
That's
it. No, I was say.
So let me know, what do you think? Will John Mahama, His Excellency, be able to govern this nation without interference from invisible forces that have invested money into his campaign? There are interesting times ahead of this nation. This has been the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on GCN TV page. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Until then, cheers. Bye-bye.